Hello guys, today I'm going to show you some methods to fix the error something went wrong while displaying this content in Steam. So the first one would be to launch your Steam, and then you'll have to go to settings. So press Steam button here, go to settings, and then go to interface. So if you scroll down a bit, you'll see this option that enable GPU accelerated rendering in web views. So if it is on, you'll have to toggle it off, and it requires a restart. So when you toggle it off, it will ask you to restart, so restart your device. So after that, what you can do is you can go to downloads and then delete Steam's cache. So you'll see this clear download cache category, and you'll see this clear cache button. Press on it and then simply clear Steam's cache. Another thing that you can do is you can go to your desktop and find your Steam shortcut, right click on it and then press open file location. So from here you'll have to find the Steam application, right click on it, go to properties, and you'll have to go to compatibility, and then you will have to tick this run this program as an administrator. So simply tick it and then press apply and then press OK. So after that you can restart Steam and see if the issue is solved or not, but hopefully it will be solved by then. So that was all for today guys. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.